Hopefully you can hear it better. Thank you, Jack. Jack's on Jacqueline and Facebook. And don't forget to finish with the no wipe top coat on the top before you put your crystal placements. Hello, Lolly. Thank you so much for tuning in. And floating on the top. You know what I'm half feeling of? Like I want to put the donuts in here. Should do a donut. Kawaii nail art donut. Oh, where am I? Okay, right here. And where the design. They're doing some dramatic crystal placements. I miss it for last this is from a kids number 2. We are going to announce the winner for raffle tickets for all the orders. So keep your order numbers, all your order number when you finish with the total of hundreds 5, or hundreds, or whatever is $100 up. That your order numbers will be is yours. Raffle ticket for the past is 100,000 follower sales. So we are going to announce after we get all the total of the order numbers. And then good luck everyone. I can't wait to hear who's winning that. And you win this. This is a kids number 2 though, so you win like a $500. So you don't not only win just the kids only, you win the whole bundles with trifectas, pixies. I believe you have one of the treasure bags in there. That is cool. So dramatic the crystals, and it's so beautiful and on the background though. I'm gonna do a centerpiece on this beautiful designs. The centerpiece is my 2 centerpiece, a drop and I think, what is it called, this one? I don't think it's rule breaker. It looks similar. We have so many different shapes now for me to have to like remember, and then so next day I will like forget what's the name of it. A lot of them I remember, majority of them. I'm gonna tuck in all the beads between the crystals. You can also tuck the beads in between your frames and crystal, or between frame and frames, and between beads and beads. So I'm using a silver beads and frame. You can use gold, you can use obsidian, you can use rose gold. It's just whatever color you are prefer or your clients prefer. It's really cool. Here you go. The best thing about condensed glue gels and the no wipe top coat, it will give you so much ability of create your beautiful designs without worry about it's gonna set. It will not set until you cure, so you have plenty of time to create and to adjusting, to change your minds if you need it. Like you see that how I adjust, but if you're using like have a resin glue, it's gonna set to exactly where you are placing in there. You don't have much of flexibility to change that. So if you're happy with this, we are going to cure. I might get some tacky the wax residues on the top.